Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Karam sir. I hope you will be fine. In this lecture, I will explain the basics of polynomials. That is second chapter of standard 10. Let's start. What is polynomial? The equations formed with exponents coefficients and variables is known as polynomial. Is known as polynomial. I repeat, the equations formed with exponents, coefficients and variables is known as polynomial. For example, ax square plus bx plus c x power 0 is equal to 0. This is the equation of polynomial. Here is exponent. Exponents means power of variable. X is variable and square is the power of variable x. When we move further to second term, from first term to second term, power will be reduced, x power 1, and further when we move toward third term, the power will also reduce, x power 0. Here is 2, here is 1 and here is power 0. It means 2, 1 and 0 are the exponents. Coefficient. What are coefficients? A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x and C is the coefficient of x power 0. That is A, B and C are coefficients. Now, what are variables? X is a variable. This is also variable and this is also variable. It means this polynomial is in one variable and that is x. We can rewrite this equation as polynomial in variable x, which is equal to a x power square b x power 1 plus c, which is equal to 0. We know very well if any variable has power 0 is equal to 1. It means c multiplied by 1, which is equal to c. This is the equation of polynomial that is in one variable x. Now, types of polynomials: binomial, monomial, trinomial, and what is the degree of polynomial? So these all are things we will discuss in this lecture. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. First is monomial. Second is binomial. Third one is trinomial. Monomial. In monomial, we have only one term. For example, this is one term. That's why this is monomial, containing only one term. Binomial, having two terms. Bi means two. For example, 4x square plus 5x. This polynomial is in variable x and this is binomial. Similarly, trinomial have three terms. Tri means three, containing three terms. For example, 2x square plus 6x plus 5. This is trinomial. And more than three terms, अगर हमारे पास थ्री टर्म्स से ज़्यादा टर्म्स तो हम उसे पोलिनोमियल का नेम देते हैं. So these are types of polynomials. Now degree of polynomial, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, that depends only on the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree means the highest power of variable in a polynomial. The highest power of variable in polynomial, that is variable in x. वो polynomial किसी भी variable में हो सकता है, y, z, etc. For example, 3x square plus 2x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now, we know that degree means highest power. So, in this polynomial, here is 2 and here is 1. So, highest power is 2 of variable x. It means the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree is 2. The highest power of exponent term in given polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Now, depend on the degree of polynomial. अगर किसी भी polynomial की degree 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, तो depend on the degree of polynomial, उस polynomial का जो name है उसके according रखा गया है. First one is linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. Third one is cubic polynomial. Fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. These are the types of polynomials that are based only on the degree of polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. It means this polynomial have degree 1. For example, 4x plus 5. This is linear polynomial because x variable has degree 1. इसकी जो power है वो 1 है. It means this polynomial is linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial having degree 2. Having degree 2. For example, 5x square minus 6x. So this polynomial is in variable x, and here is power 2 and here is power 1. So highest power is 2. So जिसकी डिग्री 2 होती है that is quadratic polynomial. Next one is cubic polynomial having degree 3. Cubic means 3, having degree 3. For example, 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6. This is polynomial having degree 3. X has power 3, here is 2 and here is power 0. Highest power is 3, so that's why this is cubic polynomial. And last one is biquadratic polynomial having degree 4. Having degree 4. For example, 6x4 plus 5. X has power 4. So that's why this is biquadratic polynomial. जिस polynomial की डिग्री जो highest power है वो 4 होती है, उसे हम biquadratic polynomial कहते हैं. Another example is 7x4 plus 4x cube minus 6x square plus 1 upon 6. So highest power is 4, here is 3, here is 2. Highest power is 4. तो जिस polynomial की जो power है वो 4 होती है, उसे हम biquadratic polynomial कहते हैं. So these are the types of polynomial that are depend only on the degree. Having degree 1, linear polynomial. That polynomial having degree 2 is quadratic polynomial. That polynomial having degree 3 is cubic polynomial, and having degree 4 उस polynomial को हम biquadratic polynomial कहते हैं. And last is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is that polynomial of degree 0. जिस polynomial में variable की जो degree है वो 0 होती है, उसे हम constant polynomial कहते हैं. For example, 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. That is a constant polynomial. इस polynomial में degree 0. Another example is 4. This is also constant polynomial. 8. Also constant polynomial. So it means constant polynomial is degree 0. That polynomial is known as constant polynomial. तो इस लेक्चर के में हमने पोलिनोमियल के जो भी बेसिक्स हैं, व्हाट इज पोलिनोमियल, व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल, टाइप्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल्स एंड दोज टाइप्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल्स दैट आर डिपेंड ओनली ऑन द डिग्री, ये सब कुछ इस लेक्चर में आज हमने क्लियर किया है। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम इससे रिलेटेड जो एक्सरसाइज है, एक्सरसाइज 2.2 वो डिस्कस करेंगे और कुछ क्वेश्चंस वो सॉल्व करेंगे। सो आई होप ये लेक्चर आपको अच्छे वे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।